In this video, I'll quickly go over weave maintenance. I decided to do this video because I get so many clients that have never ever had a weave in their life, and they want to know what weave maintenance is like. A lot of clients ask, do they not wash their hair for the life of their weave? And that's really just the furthest from the truth. You got to make sure that you clean your scalp. We all know clean scalp is how you get healthy hair. So you want to make sure that you shampoo your hair at least every 2 to 3 weeks at minimum. So I did complete a scalp treatment on her. I shampooed her hair, I conditioned her hair, I detangled her hair, and now I am going to dry her hair. I'm just going to dry it to kind of get the moisture out of it to just help with our dryer time. She does have to sit under the dryer. That's usually the longest part of this service. She'll have to sit under the dryer for at least 45 minutes to an hour to make sure her hair is completely dry. You got to make sure those braids are dry or your hair will smell like mildew. So I will take her hair and I'll section it off. Using a clip, I'll section it off, then I'll pull some hair down. I'll repeat this step until her hair is completely dry. So when she's under the dryer, I take one section down, let that dry, pull the next section down, let that dry, pull the next until we get to the top. As you can see, her hair is completely dry now. All of the moisture is out completely. The hair is dry, the braids are dry, everything is completely dry. So now I can go through and silk her hair out. I'll take small sections, do section by section, and straighten her hair back. We'll get it nice and smooth. That's also another reason why you want to make sure that the hair is nice and dry, because if the hair is not dry and the braids are still damp, that'll cause your weave hair to be puffy, and you can't get it as silky because it's still wet. Now, as you can see, she's all done. I've silked her out. She's back in action again. Fresh scalp, fresh hair. Thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know if there's any other weave maintenance videos you guys want to see, or just any other videos in general that you would like me to do. Thanks again for watching.